Now the next one is, again my dear student, we are doing sentence equivalence. मैं फिर याद दिलानी करा दूँ कि antonym and synonym will definitely help you to find out your answer. आपकी vocab plays one of the essential role. चलें हम करते हैं आगे. By consuming is a clear dash numbers of power, ठीक है, bars, comma, some athletes believe they will have proportionally greater amounts of endurance and strength because of the energy producing ingredients these products claim to contain. अब गौर से देखें ओवर हियर मैं पहले इसके मानी आपको समझा दूँ. स्कैंट इज अपोजिट वर्ड, इज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड, ठीक है. फुर्टिव, स्टेथीली, सीक्रेट, दिस इज आल्सो नॉट अवर आंसर. capacious, capacious mean plentiful. This is ये बड़ी important word है, capacious. Solvent, solvent mean capable of paying debts, debt, sorry. Measure, this is a very simple word. Or profuse, profuse is a plenty mean, I mean that is the meaning of this word profuse is plentiful, and the very meaning of, I mean, that of capacious is plentiful. So this one is the opposite word. Stealthy, furtive is also, I mean, that is negative word. Capacious means plentiful, ये positive word है. Solvent, capable of paying debt. Measure, ठीक है, measure बड़ा simple word है, opposite है. Profuse, so profuse and capacious mean it's a plentiful, it means plentiful. अब फिर मैं आपको समझाता हूँ कि why plentiful is used over here. वो कहता है by consuming dash number of power bars, ठीक हो गया. Some athlete believe they will have proportionately greater amount of endurance. अगर वो greater amount of endurance उसमें आएगी, वो तो किस तरह आएगी, वो किस तरह आएगी, वो आएगी इस तरह. Believe that they will have proportionately greater amount of endurance and strength because of the energy producing ingredient. यानी अगर वो ताकत हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो उन्हें ऐसी एनर्जी की ज़रूरत है जो it try to produce, I mean that a lot of power and things so that they may improve their stamina. So of energy producing ingredient these products claim to contain. तो हमारे पास 6 ऑप्शन हैं. ऑप्शन 1 स्कैंट, ऑप्शन बी फुटिव, ऑप्शन बी capacious, ऑप्शन सी solvent, ऑप्शन डी measure एंड ऑप्शन ई profuse. Profuse होता है plentiful and capacious भी होता है I mean that is plentiful. So we need, I mean that are 2 words, capacious and profuse. आज तो हम इतना करेंगे, बाकी जो कल हम जब करेंगे तो हम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली टेक्स्ट कंप्लीशन करेंगे और कॉम्प्रीहेंशन करेंगे. ठीक है, कल फिर इसी वक्त हम करेंगे. ठीक.